I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't want it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video we are doing a clean with me, plus we are undecorating for Christmas as well. So I know everyone will start taking down their Christmas decor this week, so I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of motivation to get started.
Yesterday, don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old kind of new way?
So as you can tell, I'm actually starting in the bedroom today only because the bed wasn't made. So something about the bed being made definitely gives me the motivation to keep cleaning. So I just wanted to start in the bedroom, and then we're going to work our way around the house. First tidying up the room, and then we'll take away the decor that's in each room as well.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone.
So in these drawers, I'm just going to organize a little bit and just place things back where they go. And then also, I just wanted to replenish the dental flosses. That I actually have like a small white tray that they go in at the top drawer. So I'll just replenishing those. And then we're just going to go through, put the clothes in the hamper where they belong. And then we are going to go into the closet and just straighten up a bit in there as well.
Time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night.
This is definitely on my to-do list to get done either this week or at the beginning of January, as far as like my 2023 goals when it comes to organizing the house. I definitely want to reorganize the closet space, just make it a little bit more functional. So yeah, that's definitely on my to-do list. Not trying to get everything done before 2023, but definitely something that I want to work towards.
Be with you.
So I definitely wanted to throw this in here today. I know I never sort of record myself deep cleaning the bathroom. So I am going to deep clean the toilet and then the countertops as well. But all I use to clean the toilet is I do normally throw some toilet bowl cleaner. This particular day I didn't. I just used the all-purpose Mrs. Meyer spray, and then I also just purchased the refillable toilet brush cleaner. from like your local Target. That usually works best, and then you just throw that pad away after each use, and that works pretty good. And it also leaves your toilet bowl with a shine as well. But normally if you throw some toilet bowl cleaner in there, that definitely helps your toilet not get as dirty so quickly. So I definitely recommend that as well.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
We still have lots to do, but if you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. It is free to do so, and you can also actually hit the notification bell, and it'll notify you every time I post new content so you don't miss anything. I'm trying my best to post at least twice a week, and I'm super excited to bring you guys a lot of new content in 2023 as well.
I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
So the next space we're going to work on is the entryway area, and then we're also going to make our way into the kitchen as well, just tidying things up, wiping things down. And then we're also going to make our way to Eleni's room and then the guest bathroom, just to take down the decor as well.
Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?
So I also want to say we didn't have to take away any decor in the bedroom or the bathroom, the rooms that we just cleaned, just because I didn't actually decorate those rooms this year. Sometimes I'll normally add maybe 1 or 2 pieces in there, but this year I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. Most of my decor is in the living room and then of course in Eleni's room. So, but yeah, just kept it pretty simple this year.
Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So, you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little cry.
So now we are making our way into the kitchen, and just a lot of gifts and things that we received this past week. I just want to put everything where it goes and find a new location for it, and then just clean off the countertop, and then of course wipe it down as well. Hope you all had a wonderful holiday. I know sometimes the holidays can definitely be bittersweet depending on what you're going through. For myself, I know I deal a lot with the winter blues, so sometimes it's hard just to find that small piece of joy throughout this time, just because of like the weather and how cold it is, and sometimes it's rainy and dreary looking. But yeah, so I hope you were able to find a small piece of joy within this season, and I wish you guys happy holidays. I know the new year is coming up, so I hope you are able to spend some time with family and friends. And thank you guys for being here once again. I know it's been a long journey for me, but I appreciate all of you that have supported me throughout this journey.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
And I know I've mentioned this multiple times before, but I do use the Dawn Power Wash to deep clean my sink. So that's what you saw me using. And then I also use Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray to wipe down my countertops as well. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I do change my decor around a lot. So usually after about a few weeks, if I feel like that piece is just sort of like in my way when I'm cleaning, or I just need to change it up, or I want to refresh, I'll change things around. So I don't necessarily feel like I have to go purchase something every time I want to change things around. A lot of times if I just move a few things here or there within the house, like pieces of decor, that'll just sort of satisfy me as far as changing things up and just making things look new and fresh within the house.
Where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
So now we're just cleaning my small desk area, and then we are going to pick up a few things and then go ahead and undecorate Eleni's room and the bathroom as well.
The sky is falling down. so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
I'm actually going to post another video either Wednesday or Sunday of this week, and that's going to be sort of part 2. So I'm going to do the living room. I'm going to take down the Christmas tree, rearrange the living room area, just show you how we go about undecorating the living room area, which is the space that we use the most as far as decorating for Christmas. So I'm actually going to make a part 2 for that. So definitely come back and see that. Thank you guys for watching this video and sticking to the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Down